So today we're going to be testing the pH levels of several different water bottles. So to do that, we're going to be using the pH test liquid, which you can find on Amazon under A2O or on our website a2owater.com. Now we're going to be adding a few drops to each cup, but if you're going to be doing this at home, you don't need as much water as we poured. About 10 cc will do, and you'll just need about 2 to 3 drops for the water that you'll be testing on. Now that the pH test liquid has fully absorbed into the water, we can compare it to the pH color chart that we have here. And as you can see, 7 is neutral and anything over 7 is alkaline. Anything less than 7 is acidic. First up is Voss water. As you can see, it looks like it has a low pH around 5 or 6. And then next up is Eternal water. It looks like its pH is around an 8 or so. And then Vortex 9.5 clearly states a 9.5 pH, but it looks like its pH is actually around 8 or so. And then here we have Alka Power. It looks like it has a high alkaline pH around 9 or 10 or so. Then here we have Pure Water, which also advertises 9.5, and it looks like it actually is around a 9, 10. Then the Hawaiian Volcanic Water, it looks like its pH is around 8 or so. And Aquafina here is a popular brand. It looks like its pH is around a 4 or 5. And then here is Dasani. It looks like its pH is around a 6 or 7 or so. Then it's Stater Brothers water. It looks like it has around a neutral pH. Then the purified drinking water from Walmart looks like it's ranging from 6 to 7. Lastly, here is Fiji. It looks like its pH is around an 8 or so. As you can see, each of the bottles carries different results, and if you want to check the pH of the water that you drink on a regular basis, remember that you can purchase this on a2owater.com.